Hi guys, Luca here from Sabre Airsoft with another quick video on the VMP-2. More of an announcement video than a tech video really. If you have been following along generally with the VMP-2, you may know that some people have been breaking their charging handles. It's quite easy to do. I broke mine during testing of the reset arm, and others have generally broken it through normal use. The reason they keep breaking is they are very easy to over torque, which then creates additional stresses, and it's causing them to shear around this point here, as is evidenced by the remnants of my one right there. As you can see, it is pretty much in that sharp corner where it meets the bolt carrier group. Now, if you want to buy an OEM one and straight one-to-one replacement from Vorsk, they cost somewhere in the region of £12. And if you go and buy the only other aftermarket one that I'm aware of, which is made from some marketing nonsense type of stainless steel, which is allegedly stronger than the zinc alloy by a factor of 2, but also stronger than 304 stainless by a factor of 3. If anyone knows anything about material science, doubt. Anywho, they cost about 30 quid. Now, they've got a nice design, don't get me wrong, but I don't think they're 30 quid's worth. So, Alice and I, well, that's not correct. Alice, with my encouragement, quickly managed to design and get something out for you guys. And that is this charging handle here. It's an affordable replacement. Now, it's not a fully turned replacement. It is basically an M5 bolt that has been turned down to match the specs of the original, as far as the threading and then the bit at the end goes, so that it still functions properly, but it's made out of 304 stainless steel, and then a 3D printed handle on the top. The specs for this, by the way, all of it freely available as usual, but if you want to buy this particular thing, you can do so from my website for £7, with the usual profit distribution being 75% to Alice, 25% to myself in order to cover fees, and also helps generate revenue to get some of these things made a bit quicker. So, as I say, this has been made to match the original spec. We are working on a design where this internal bar here goes all the way across the to the upside of the bolt carrier group. My thinking being that that's going to provide a more consistent and even pressure along the top of the feeding the nozzle. Whereas this obviously can, I think, cause it to cant and generally not go in a straight linear, generally not go in a linear path. Again, don't know for certain that that's going to make a huge amount of difference, but that's something that design we're working on. This also comes from the idea of having a modular charging handle, so you don't just have to have this circular drum like this. You could also, say, for example, create a blade trigger or whatever you wanted, as long as it's an M5 bolt holding it in. So as long as it's this, the actual metal part of this, you can design whatever you want with this. And if you are just buying it from us, it doesn't just come in silver. This was what I requested, but that's because I quite like the silver dress-up kit and will be fully restoring this to silver at some point. At the minute it's set up for testing. So you can get colours like Fire Engine Red. All of which, again, available on my website. They are printed to order. They are done in limited batches because it is Alice's friend who is turning these for us. They are being paid. They're not doing it for free. But they are doing an absolute excellent job. This is some genuinely brilliant machining. So if you watch this video, thank you very much. I am suitably impressed with your machining. Chris approves. So, just like with the original, you just screw it in. It's as simple as that. There are more things on the way. I'm currently working on a stainless steel spring guide rod, which I don't know if you'll be able to see it in there. Just see a glimpse of it. The one there I did by hand, so I'm looking to get some machined for more consistency. And otherwise, at the minute, I am very, very swamped with a lot of tech work, so not been able to work on designing things a huge amount. There are other things coming though. I've got more and more people joining the community, so if you're interested in joining the community and getting involved, link in the description down below. Come and join the Discord. And if you've already got designs that you want to get out there, come and join, have a chat with me. More than happy to facilitate and enable others to get their work out there. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Catch you on the next one.